Welcome to Martin Cuisine, where we show you recipes made by our families. Today we are going to have a 3-rib roast beef. This is the 3-rib roast beef, and we are going to marinate it in salt, pepper, garlic powder, olive oil and lime. This is the salt, pepper, garlic, lemon juice. Please note the precise measurements. Of the ingredients. This is what the rub looks like and is going to be spread over the roast. This is what the roast will look like after it's been marinated. We're going to keep it in there for a few hours, maybe 2, and then it's going to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 or 3 hours. That depends on the thermometer reading. So we're going to put in the thermometer probe right into the center of this. Of the meat. If you can see the beef reading now, we're aiming for a temperature of 160 from the probe. Notice this, the rib side down. The marinade has been pushed, the rub has been put on it. It's not a marinade, it's a rub. And the temperature at the moment is 43 degrees Fahrenheit right in the center. So we're going to wait for that to come to we are going to set that so that the internal is 160 degrees. Taken out, ready to rest for another 10 minutes. And oven temperature is 350. And as soon as that sets on, I will put it in. Okay, this has come out at 160 and is going to rest for 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to slice this and going to plate it. There'll come a point where I'll debone it. And there you have it. We've got chanterelle mushrooms, greens, and potatoes which are still in the oven. Thank you for watching.